Welcome to eiwayshop. Today we're diving into the essential tips for achieving gorgeous, healthy hair. Whether you're struggling with dryness, breakage, or just want to boost your hair's natural beauty, these 6 hair care tips will help you transform your hair and maintain its health and vitality. Let's get started. Tip 1. Maintain a healthy diet. The foundation of healthy hair starts from within. Your diet plays a crucial role in the health and appearance of your hair. Just like your skin, your hair reflects what you eat. To promote hair growth and strength, ensure your diet includes protein. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin, so it's important to consume enough protein to maintain hair health. Incorporate lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts into your meals. If you're vegetarian or vegan, consider plant-based protein sources like quinoa, tofu, and lentils. Vitamins and minerals. Certain vitamins and minerals are vital for hair health. Vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc and iron, are essential for maintaining healthy hair. Vitamin A helps produce sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes the scalp. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, which strengthens hair. Vitamin E improves blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. Zinc and iron prevent hair loss and support healthy hair growth. You can find these nutrients in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish the hair and support scalp health. These healthy fats can be found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If you don't eat fish, you can get omega-3s from chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. By maintaining a balanced diet rich in these nutrients, you'll support your hair from the inside out, leading to stronger, shinier, and healthier hair. Tip 2. Choose the right hair products. Using the right hair products is crucial for maintaining hair health. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right ones. Here's what to look for. Shampoo and conditioner. Select a shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type and concerns. For example, if you have dry hair, opt for moisturizing products. If your hair is fine, look for volumizing options. Avoid products with harsh sulfates, which can strip your hair of its natural oils and cause dryness. Instead, choose sulfate-free formulas that are gentle on your hair and scalp. Hair masks and deep conditioners. Incorporate hair masks and deep conditioners into your routine to provide extra nourishment and hydration. Use these treatments once a week to restore moisture, repair damage, and improve hair elasticity. Look for products with ingredients like keratin, argan oil, and shea butter. Leave-in conditioners and serums. Leave-in conditioners and serums can provide additional moisture and protection. These products are especially beneficial for dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. They help detangle, reduce frizz, and add shine. Apply them to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. By choosing the right products for your hair type and needs, you'll improve your hair's health and appearance, making it more manageable and beautiful. Tip 3. Limit heat styling. While heat styling tools like blow dryers, curling irons, and straighteners can help you achieve your desired hairstyle, excessive heat can damage your hair. Here are some tips to minimize heat damage. Use heat protectant. Always apply a heat protectant spray or serum before using any heat styling tools. Heat protectants create a barrier between your hair and the heat, reducing the risk of damage and keeping your hair healthy. Lower the temperature. Use the lowest heat setting that achieves your desired results. High temperatures can cause significant damage, especially to fine or already damaged hair. Experiment with lower settings to find the optimal temperature for your hair type. Limit heat styling frequency. Try to limit the use of heat styling tools to no more than 2 or 3 times a week. On days when you don't use heat, opt for heatless styling methods like braiding your hair for waves or using foam rollers for curls. Air dry when possible. Whenever you can, let your hair air dry instead of using a blow dryer. Pat your hair gently with a towel to remove excess water, then allow it to dry naturally. If you need to use a blow dryer, use a diffuser attachment and set it to a low heat setting. By reducing your reliance on heat styling tools and using protective measures, you'll prevent damage and maintain the health and integrity of your hair. Tip 4. Protect your hair from environmental damage. Environmental factors like sun exposure, pollution, and harsh weather can take a toll on your hair. Here's how to protect your hair from these external stressors. Sun protection. Just like your skin, your hair can suffer from sun damage. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can lead to dryness, brittleness, and color fading. To protect your hair, wear a hat or use a UV protectant spray when you're spending time outdoors. Look for hair products that contain SPF to shield your hair from the sun's harmful rays. Pollution protection. Pollution can cause buildup on your scalp and hair, leading to dullness and potential damage. To combat this, use a clarifying shampoo once a month to remove impurities and product buildup. Additionally, consider using anti-pollution hair products that form a barrier against environmental pollutants. Weather protection. Extreme weather conditions can affect your hair's health. In cold weather, the lack of moisture in the air can cause dryness and static. During the winter months, use a humidifier at home to add moisture to the air and keep your hair hydrated. In humid weather, frizz and flyaways can be a challenge. Use anti-frizz products and hairstyles that keep your hair under control, such as braids or buns. By taking steps to protect your hair from environmental damage, you'll maintain its health, shine, and vibrancy. Tip 5. Regular trims and scalp care. Regular maintenance is essential for healthy hair. This includes getting trims and taking care of your scalp. Regular trims. Getting regular trims helps prevent split ends and keeps your hair looking healthy and neat. Aim to trim your hair every 6-8 weeks to remove damaged ends and promote healthy growth. If you're trying to grow your hair longer, trimming the ends will actually help you achieve your goal by preventing breakage and keeping your hair strong. Scalp care. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. Keep your scalp clean and well-nourished to promote hair growth and prevent issues like dandruff and itchiness. Here are some tips for maintaining a healthy scalp. Massage your scalp. Regular scalp massages stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for a few minutes each day. Use scalp treatments. Incorporate scalp treatments into your hair care routine. Products like scalp scrubs and serums can help remove buildup, exfoliate dead skin cells, and nourish your scalp. Avoid harsh products. Be mindful of the products you use on your scalp. Avoid shampoos and treatments with harsh chemicals that can strip your scalp of its natural oils and cause irritation. By maintaining regular trims and caring for your scalp, you'll ensure that your hair stays healthy, strong, and beautiful. Tip 6. Hydrate and nourish your hair. Keeping your hair hydrated and nourished is key to maintaining its health and beauty. Here's how to ensure your hair gets the moisture and nutrients it needs. Deep conditioning treatments. Incorporate deep conditioning treatments into your hair care routine to provide intense hydration and repair damage. Use a deep conditioner or hair mask once a week, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Look for products with ingredients like keratin, argan oil, and shea butter to restore moisture and improve hair elasticity. Leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners provide continuous moisture and protection throughout the day. Apply a leave-in conditioner to damp hair after washing to keep your hair hydrated and manageable. These products are especially beneficial for dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. Oils and serums. Hair oils and serums can provide additional nourishment and shine. Use a lightweight oil like argan oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil to add moisture and smoothness to your hair. Apply a small amount to the ends of your hair to prevent dryness and split ends. Serums can also add shine and protect your hair from environmental damage. Hydration from within. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including hair health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your hair hydrated from within. Dehydration can lead to dry, brittle hair, so aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. By keeping your hair hydrated and nourished, you'll maintain its health, shine, and beauty. Achieving gorgeous, healthy hair is possible with the right care and attention. By maintaining a healthy diet, choosing the right products, limiting heat styling, protecting your hair from environmental damage, getting regular trims, and keeping your hair hydrated, you'll transform your hair and keep it looking its best. Thank you for joining us at eiwayshop. We hope you found these hair care tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and hair care tips. Share your favorite hair care tips in the comments below or tag us on social media. We'd love to see your gorgeous, healthy hair. Until next time, stay beautiful.